Sa imong mga amigo imong imbitahon, can you join us in our Bible study? Niyo mo yun, busy ko kayo, anak kin, kamura. Kamura ka, aron mo mabuutan. Maiwan naman kong tao ba? Just imagine. Sangdi, ayaw gyud pugsa. Kay way pugos in the kingdom of God, no? That is a violation of God's character. God does not touch our volition. He respects our volition. You see? Hinatag ra ba yun na niya? Ngayon siya, I'm giving you volition for you to choose. I'm giving you complete freedom. But, bantay na yun, basta na but with it goes responsibility. Amo na, mahuog na sa law of volitional responsibility.